how to connect your sports wireless Bluetooth headphones, earphones, these right here, with a Samsung phone that has Android 12. Now, to get these into pairing mode so that they can connect to your phone, what you're going to do is look for the button here that has the power icon or the answer and call icon there. And if you have a similar wireless earphones that looks like these, this might also work for you the same way. So while it's in the off state here on the earphones itself, while they're off, you'll long press the button until you see the blue-red blinking light. So go ahead and do that now. Hold it down. You'll see this here. And once you see that, let go the power button. That means they're now in a pairing mode state. And on your Samsung phone here, what you can do is use the quick panel access as the fastest way to the Bluetooth settings. So you'll pull it down once or twice until you can see it. You'll see it right here. You'll long press it. This will take you here, and then go ahead and turn it on. It's going to start searching for nearby devices, and be sure to check the manual of your wireless earphones to know the exact name of yours. These in particular are called Bluetooth Music, and when you see it, you'll tap on it one time. It will say pairing. You'll see this here show up, and then you'll press pair, and it'll tell you that it's connected. You'll see the volume show up here. It tells you the battery percentage and calls and audio as well. You also notice that these in particular has the blue light that will flash every now and then, but that just means that it's on and active, all right? For some more options, you can tap on this settings gear icon here, and maybe if you are not getting the calls in, perhaps you can turn that switch on if it's not on. And of course, as a mic, you can turn on the input device as well, okay? And that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.